This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both Windows and the device. First, make sure Windows is up to date and that your PC actually has Bluetooth hardware. Open Settings to verify. Next, power on the peripheral and enable pairing, often a long press or dedicated button. Consult the device indicator light. Now, open Settings Bluetooth and Devices and toggle Bluetooth on if needed. Once done, click Add Device so Windows starts scanning. This moves you immediately into the pairing flow. You'll now pair in Settings. Choose Add Device and pick Bluetooth. Windows will list nearby devices. When you see your device's name, select it. You may be asked to confirm a PIN or accept a pairing prompt on both ends, so look at the peripheral screen or LED cues. Windows typically installs drivers automatically. If pairing fails, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the Bluetooth adapter driver. Make sure the device remains in pairing mode during installation to avoid timeouts. Finish by confirming the device shows as connected in Settings, test its function, such as audio playback or file transfer, and set it as default in sound settings when necessary. If the device disconnects or won't pair, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your PC, and re-enter pairing mode. Use Windows Bluetooth and Devices Troubleshooter for automated fixes and check for driver updates in Device Manager. If problems persist, remove the device and pair again after rebooting both devices to reset the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.